Alright folks, Amazon had a lightning deal on the Koolertron microscope that John Saunders recommended. So I got one, and the $20 coupon still worked too. So all in all, I paid $74.99 for this, shipped to the house. And that's interesting. It's a remote control, because I need more of these. That makes sense. Ooh, cords and buttons and cords. And I'm kicking the... Ooh, well then. There, I did something. I did a thing. Let's see. This. Whatever that is. And that. And that. Ooh, that looks extremely important. And empty box. Bye-bye. I have a feeling that's a base. Those are lights. Sound effects make it go faster. Faster. That's a different thing. Oh my gosh. We're going to have to find some electricity. Probably should have read the constructions, but that's not how we do it here in America. Oh yeah, this is important. You know what? I bet you all of that goes into that. Yep, look at there. I can figure this out, I swear. Alright, little AC/DC plug goes in there. And this is the important part. Garbage. Hey, just so you know, it passed QC. What that means, I don't know. There has got to be a spot. There it is. USB. One USB. Okay, well there's that. This must be something important too. It's a thing for attaching attachments. Alright. Oh, I know how we're going to do this. Squeakle, squeakle, squeakle. Probably should have applied some Never Sneeze. Yeah, we'll call that crooked. We'll call that crooked. There, a little more squared up. Lock her down. Out the way. There's lots of things and whatnot. Alright, that goes all the way down in there. And that's weird. The way it kind of pops her up there like that. Alright. Now, give me this. Give me this. Oh, let there be light and digitizing microscope. I just plugged her in. Didn't have to push buttons or nothing. Let's see here. I got a handy dandy Lakeshore Carbide 3 flute ZRN coated variable pitch. Ooh, with a 4,000th radius. I forgot I had that on them. Oh, I know what it's saying. It's saying the lens cap, because there's a lens cap on it. And pop that little fellow there. It says QC pass out. Now, ooh, I see more things. Focus the light. And by the way, this little rack and pinion will auto lower if you detach it. There we go. There we go. Bringing into sharp relief. Wow. Good grief. I am completely amazed at the quality of the picture on this screen. And by the way, this is a bad end mill. I've wore this bad boy out. It's not going to do it justice on there. Look at this. And I believe that's a 3X. Wow. Well worth the $75. I'm going to say yeah. I wish I would have got this sooner. Let's do more magnifying. I wonder, that thing was just plowing off there. Fractured the faces off all of them. I had one flute with just a corner still intact. The other two, yep. All right, this is awesome, guys. I would highly recommend one of these Koolertron 4.3 inch, blah 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 blah, something else and whatever's. I'm gonna go through the constructions and find out what all we got going on here, just so I know what I'm doing with this thing. Because so far I just kind of fiddle-farted around with it, just to see if it was worth it. Ooh, look, stickers for fixating things. All right. Well, I hope y'all liked it, because I sure do. Not bad for 75 bucks. Yeah, I should have spent the $95 and got it. But, you know, glad I didn't, because I got a deal on it. All right, till next time, guys. Y'all have a good one.